Mayor Megan Barry hopes to change the conversation around opioids after the death of her son Max Larry McCormick / the Tennessean. The rate of hospitalizations for Tennesseans 65 years and older due to painkillers has more than tripled in a decade. Photo, Larry McCormick / the Tennessean, by photo. Metro government filed suit late Friday against multiple manufacturers and distributors of prescription opioids, making Nashville the latest local municipality in Tennessee to turn to court to try to recover public dollars spent in the national opioid epidemic. The lawsuit, filed in the U.S. District Court for the Middle District of Tennessee, had been expected after the Metro Council on Tuesday finalized approval of a contract with Leif Cabraser Heimann and Bernstein, a law firm that will litigate the case for Metro. The same law firm, which has an office in Nashville, filed a similar lawsuit on behalf of Smith County earlier in the week. The Nashville lawsuit comes just 5 months after the 22-year-old son of Mayor Megan Barry, Max Barry, died in July from a drug overdose that included multiple opioids. The mayor's office has said the administration was considering the legal action before Max's death. The suit alleges the opioid companies systematically and repeatedly disregarded the safety of their customers and the public through misleading promotion and oversupplying of opioids. Under the law, these companies are supposed to monitor and report dangerous behavior, but Metro has argued they failed to do so in favor of maximizing profits. More, Nashville cleared to explore opioid lawsuit with contracting dispute now resolved. It also claims that marketing schemes not a medical breakthrough led to an increase in opioids being prescribed for chronic pain. Metro has accused the defendants of downplaying the risk of addiction to opioids, promoting the idea that signs of addiction should be treated with more addiction, and exaggerating the effectiveness of screening tools to prevent addiction, among other claims. Cities like Nashville and their taxpayers have borne the cost of the opioid epidemic for far too long, while the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry, consisting of manufacturers and distributors, has reaped astronomical profits, said attorney Kenny Bird, a partner at Leif Cabraser. It can't be business as usual anymore, and those industries need to be held accountable for the millions of dollars of taxpayer money that goes to treat the epidemic. Photo, submitted. Barry was unavailable for comment. The Tennessean was unable to reach defendants for comment. The lawsuit is expected to be transferred to the U.S. District Court of Northern Ohio, where hundreds of similar cases have been sent. Opioids kill 100 Americans daily, according to plaintiffs, costing nearly $80 billion per year in lost productivity. Metro Council attorney Mike Jameson, in a legal analysis before Metro tapped outside legal counsel, said the economic impacts of opioid addiction on Metro government includes drug addiction treatment, emergency room visits, law enforcement response, incarceration, child abuse and neglect, and the cost for removing children from parental custody, as well as medical treatment for prenatal opioid exposure. Barry was unavailable to comment on the city's lawsuit.